Welcome to our close look at the Samsung's upcoming phones, the Galaxy S24 and its bigger version, the Galaxy S24 Plus. At first glance, you might think you are looking at the Galaxy S23. Yeah, that is because they share the similar design like its predecessor Galaxy S23. But dig a little deeper and you will see the differences. The device will sport a boxy design, probably framed in a super strong titanium. And just like the Galaxy S24, the bigger Galaxy S24 Plus will also shake things up a bit in the design department while still keeping the boxy design and a tough titanium frame body. The Galaxy S24 is a bit taller and narrower than the older Galaxy S23, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is a bit bigger overall, plus it has a thinner edges around the screen. For the Galaxy S24, there is ultra-wideband antenna below the power button. Usually we have seen the ultra-wideband antenna on the Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this is the first time it will be available on the base Galaxy flagship model. Well, talking about the display, so Galaxy S24 will come with a 6.1-inch flat Full HD Plus display, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is Trip to Fusion 6.7-inch flat screen. Both the devices will come with a similar display features, Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with LTPO 120Hz refresh rate with up to 2500 nits of the peak brightness. Under the hood, both models will be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Exynos 7400 chipset. Speaking of which, if you are in Asia, Africa or Europe, you are likely getting the Exynos 2400 processor. Meanwhile, Canada, China and USA user will get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 version. When it comes to the camera, both phones shows the similar camera setup: 12MP selfie camera, 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera and 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. For the battery life, Samsung Galaxy S24 has a 4000 mAh battery and the S24 Plus has a bigger 4900 mAh battery. The charging speed is same as the older models, plus these phones have the special features that let them connect to satellite in emergencies. So guys, what do you think about the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus? Please let me know your thought in the comment section down below. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe for latest news and updates. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.